Hayden, are you sitting up like a big girl? Yeah? You are, huh? Hayden.
Break a leg. Or let me break it for you.
Yeah, I think that fog's so lightning.
Oh yeah? Hold on. Looky, Hayden. Hey, look at Mama.
Chris gets pissed at
Hayden.
interrupting his son.
Hayden. Looky. You big girl.
King of far, far away. Stand still, Sarwell. Traffic, stop. I'm here now. You got what you wanted. This isn't about him. Then who's it about? I'm supposed to be king, right? You weren't really next in line for the throne. Okay. I was.
Treelo. Take the picture, Treelo.
I'm taking a picture of Sister sitting up like a big girl right now.
The job, I just needed some